Start. So I wish to all of you, first of all, introduce myself in front of you. So I am Dr. J. Gunashekhar, Faculty of Commerce, Assam University, Ramapura campus. Today I am going to discuss about the topic is final accounts. First of all, we must understand what is the accounting. That is main concept today. Most of the people are not aware that accounting concept. That's why I am going to say a few words, few lines, definitions of accounting. So accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in significant manners of and event in the term of money transaction, which is interpreting the result thereof in the business. It is called accounting. And after that, we must understand final accounts. In that topic included in the accounting subject. So we must understand, we must know that final accounts. Why this topic very much important, needed, necessary in the business. Especially this topic which is related to manufacturing point of view. Manufacturing point of view means business point of view. So that's why this topic very much important role in the business and also to the student area also. So first, what is the final accounts? The final account which refers to the same content of definitions of accounting. But especially in this title contain three categories, three dimensions we should understand. One is trading account point of view. Another one is profit and loss account point of view. And another one is, third one is balance sheet. So these three dimensions are more much important and discussed in the final accounts topic. Okay, and especially this final accounts shows or disclose me what is actual financial position of the business or position of the company. That's why this topic very much important. Okay, what is the financial position, whether profit or loss of the business? How to evaluate, how to find out whether profit or loss of the business through this topic. So that's why this topic more much important in the business concern. So first of all, we have to, each and every business concern or business proprietor can expect what is the financial position of the business. How to find what is the financial position of the business through this topic. Okay. First of all, this title contains three dimensions. One is trading account, another one is profit and loss account, and another one is balance sheet. What is the trading account? So trading account shows what is the whether gross profit or gross loss of the business. So the trading account contains two sides, debit side and credit side. So in debit side, all those direct expenses entered in the trading account debit side. And credit side, all those direct income, for example, sales, closing stock, suppose purchase, sales return will be minus from the sales. So those direct income entered in the trading account credit side and those direct expenses entered in trading account debit side. So after that we have to tally about both sides. In case debit side is more than value of credit side, debit side is more than value of credit side, that is called a gross loss. In case credit side is more than debit side value, it is called a gross profit. So according to this explanation, we have to know that what is the actual gross profit or gross loss of the business. That is trading account concept. And another one is we must understand profit and loss account. What is the profit and loss account? So profit and loss account, which refers to whether net profit or net loss of the business. In case you are a finance manager, you are finance advisor of the business, your boss will ask you, so what is the actual net profit of the business? So you have to say at the time of your boss asking you. So at the time you should prepare the profit and loss account. This account discloses whether net profit or net loss of the business. How to find this account, profit and loss account contains two sides, debit side and credit side, this ledger. Debit side, all those indirect expenses entered in P&L account, debit side. What is the indirect expenses? Those expenses which is not directly included in the manufacturing process. Those expenses which is not directly incurred in the business. For example, rent, advertisement, brokerage, commission, discount, and discount paid, discount received. So these expenses are called the indirect expenses, and these expenses must entry in the P&L account debit side after finding the gross profit, and then in P&L account credit side. So all those indirect expenses, indirect income must be entered in P&L account credit side. For example, rent received, discount received, in already gross profit transferred to P&L account credit side. So finally, these indirect expenses, indirect income enter in P&L account. After that, we have to tally about for both sides. After that, in case credit side is more than, credit side value is more than debit side value, that is called the net profit. Remaining value is called the net profit. In case credit side value is less than debit side value in the P&L account, the remaining value is called the net loss. So, based on preparations of profit and loss account ledger, we found that the net profit or net loss of the business. So, second dimension, second aspect over in the final accounts. Another dimension, third dimensions of the final accounts, balance sheet. So, what is the balance sheet? Balance sheet contains two aspects, liability side and the asset side. So, left side asset and right side left side liability and right side assets. So, what is the balance sheet shown? What is actually financial position statement? That means financial statement. So, balance sheet is shown. That means liability side and asset side. What is the liability and what is the asset? Those liability which is repayable to the third party outside of that is called liability. It is called liability. Why? This balance sheet ledger, balance statement very much important role. Finally, how much asset and how much liability of the business, that is important. So, in this balance sheet shown total asset and total balance sheet value. So, this is third dimension, third aspect of the final accounts. So, based on this session, I explained already these three ledgers shut out. So, first one, trading, profit, balance sheet. Trading account shows gross profit or gross loss of the business. Profit and account shows disclose net profit or net profit business. Balance sheet shows what is the actual total liability and total asset of the business. So these three aspects or dimension more much important role in the final accounts. So why I have selected this title. Nowadays, each and every discipline student, each and every for example, BCom, BBA, BCA, MBA, MCA, and engineering students also are studying this title. This subject title, because of which is related to business concern, manufacturing point of view. So that's why this topic is very much important to the business people and also to the personal life also. So I have explained in this session. Suppose if you are having any query, any doubt, please interact with me in this session. So I hope that this session very much useful to you. So thank you very much. Thank you very much over this session.